Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, coming to you from Shanghai. I am actually on a trade trip. I've visited multiple suppliers just today and for the last week. Shanghai is a really good place to come to, a lot of really good suppliers, and if you're looking to go to the China Import-Export Fair, maybe you're looking to start an importing business, maybe sell on Amazon, maybe sell on Shopify or sell on dropshipping, doesn't really matter, how you want to sell it. But if you're looking to connect with suppliers, connect with good products, then checking out the China Import-Export Fair is a really good strategy to getting good really fast. If you're looking to find good suppliers, a lot of them are there. So definitely check that out, guys. If you're looking for help, you're not too sure how to go about doing the registration, you need an invitation letter, you need a whole bunch of other stuff to actually even get into the fair, right? And you are going to mainland China as well, so you need a visa, and those visas can sometimes be a bit of a biatch to get. Connect with me, and I'm happy to assist you in getting a visa and an invitation letter. I do this for clients only though, guys. If you're looking to go to China Import-Export Fair, I actually do trade tours. I take clients with me to the fair, and I help them find suppliers, connect with suppliers, and get the best prices, as well as we actually have negotiators and translators there to join you in the actual rooms, negotiation rooms, to get the best price. So guys, check it out, and join many of my about 100 other students who have joined me in China. It's definitely an experience. It's an experience that you'll never forget, and it's quite inexpensive also to join me over here. So enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Happy importing. I wish you the best, truly the best on your importing journey. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and please share and comment on this video. Talk to you real soon. See you later.